this next video, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Check this out. This is not what the video is about, but somebody got really good use out of this file, this sharpening stone. I mean, look at that thing. Somebody must have been, I don't know how, maybe like this. But that's not what this video is about. I have this. These are saber blades. What did I got saber blades for? These are WEN saber blades. I don't even know if they still make these blades, but here. So, all kinds of bandsaw blades. And there's even a manual in there. Let's check that out. Old manual. Didn't even notice that. Come on, get out of the baggie. Get out of the baggie. Come on. Come on. I feel like old instructions that won't come out. Come on. Out. There we go. Blade compartment. Oh, it's cardboard. Blade compartment for the WEN Model 909 saw. A blade for every purpose. And it goes on. I can read this. Blade number 2, 5 teeth per inch, blah, blah, blah. The cool part about these is, if you know anything about printing, this stuff didn't, yeah, let me just like this for you. These, you can see that. See the print on there? Let me turn this light off so you can see better. See the print on here? It's actually, you can see the damn thing. Let's see. Well, anyway, if you can actually see the print on here, what's cool about this is they actually went to a printing press. They didn't do this in a printer back then. There was no dot matrix printers back then. It was just all printing press. But to get to what I was going to say, or do, or show you, is, here's all the blades. And check this out. Check this poopy out here. Let me move those. Picked up a WEN Model 909 saw. Even got the, look at that. Original instructions. What the hell year is this? 909. Operating instructions and list of stuff for it. It's really cool. Check that out. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty well. I like these old instructions. Like, they really did a nice job. And they weren't like computer animated either. They were all done on a, probably an old linotype machine or something. Big giant industrial printing press where they had to draw platelets for each one of these things. My hands are all dirty, getting wrecked. But this sucker has a, it looks like it's got wood dust all over it. It's in really nice shape. I don't think that would take much to polish this thing. See if I got an electrocutor plugging this in. Ooh, I might get an electrocutor. Look at the plug. That plug is kind of ugly. Probably will get electrocuted. Jesus. Let's unplug this thing on. Let's see if we get electrocuted. Let's see now. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This is like ultra cool. I don't even want to put blades in it. I'm not really into old power tools like this. It's not one of my things, but look at the old writing on the wall there. I figured I have a WEN portaband saw, but look at this thing. It's like, it's really cool. I'd like to just, even this one, I'd like to polish it up. I don't have the original everything for it. It was even the replacement bushings. I'm assuming somebody took this off. Not sure what the hell that's for. Oh, you can even adjust the height too. Somebody gave it a few dings here. It's like bent right here. Not sure what this does. But that's pretty cool though. WEN ALSA model 909. Something 6 amps. WEN Products, Chicago, Illinois. I don't even think WEN's made in Chicago anymore. I don't even think it's an American company anymore, to be honest. But I thought this was cool. Like I said, once you start making videos, it's like addictive. You just start doing all kinds of stuff. So anyway, that's that video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Toodles.